Hi and welcome to our series of videos where we walk through the features of Tommy Trinder's Framepoint system, which includes Roseview live pricing. In previous videos we've set up a quote and we've built some windows, and what we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a customer visualization so that the customer can see what the windows we've built will look like in their own home. So let's jump in and have a look. Now this is the quote that I've created previously. It has 5 windows in it. As you can see, there's 5 windows here, split across bedroom, landing and downstairs. Some other details here, but what we're interested in now is a visualization. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the camera icon, and this is where images of the house will be. Now the customer has sent me an image of their house, for instance, so I get to upload that. Go in here, click add photos, and this is the picture that they've sent me. So we need to give that a name. We'll call it Mike's house, and click on upload. Now you can see that goes straight into the photo bank for this quote, and I can now click on that to open the visualizer. Now in the visualizer you can see the photo of the house, and then these are the windows that I've set up in the quote. So now it's just a matter of dragging these windows and sizing them onto the house. So let's start here. I'm doing this on a PC. It's actually slightly easier to do if you're on an iPad or a tablet, but it's still a simple process. So let's just drag that on there roughly for the moment. And what I'll do now is I'll fast forward while I put the other windows on. So now all the windows are in place, what we can do is we can save this visualization. But at this point the customer looks at it and they might really like it, or they might say, well, okay, well we really like the anthracite, but when we were going through it earlier on we were a bit torn between this and a lighter grey. Can we see what that will look like? It's no problem at all. What we do is we save the visualization. It will complete the image up here. Just wait for it for a moment. And then we go back to the quote, back into the windows. Now I say, right, so this window here, we're going to change the finish to agate grey, apply to all. Close, that's done it on there. And they say, oh, actually, while we're in here, can we look at a different astragal bar design as well? So we go into glazing, and let's put an auto grid on this one. So we'll close that. Now that's done the 2 bedroom windows, but we'll go into the landing and do the same thing quickly. Change it to agate, apply to all, close. Glazing, auto grid, close. That's all the upstairs windows done now. I'll leave the downstairs windows as they are so they can use it as a comparison. Now all I have to do is go back into the visualization that we've already created, and you'll see straight away from the preview that it's updated it. Now we go in here, and there you have the different windows. So we've changed these 2 windows in the quote, but the downstairs windows remains the same, and they look at it and they go, oh, actually no, in this case we like the anthracite with the single bar, it looks a bit better, whatever they choose to do. But when they're done, at this point you just save the visualization. That's then made a copy of it. This copy will then be used elsewhere in the system. And that is it for the product visualizer. It's a powerful tool because it means that you can show the customers exactly what it is that you're designing, and you can make changes on the fly until they're happy before you commit to creating the quote. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please look out for more videos on this system, and we'll speak to you soon.